Hi everyone, today's video is taken in Cumbria and it's a place called Haweswater. I'll just read you out a bit of it. I stayed here a couple of months ago and it's a beautiful place, so I'll just read you some history on it, okay? Haweswater was originally a natural lake about 4 kilometers long and I've lost it already. I do know some facts about Haweswater. It holds 84 billion litres of water. It's basically a dam, and the work started in 1929, and the dam was built across the valley floor. At the time of construction, it was considered to be at the forefront of civil engineering technology because it was the world's first hollow butterless dam. I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah. The wall would be created from 4 separate butterless joints joined by flexible joints. When the dam was complete in 1935, it measured 470 meters long, right, and 1,540 feet long. Sorry, that's the same thing. Anyway, building supplies were brought to the site from adjoining valleys of Hettendale and Swindale. When the valley was flooded, the dam raised the water by 29 meters. This created a reservoir of 6 kilometers long and 2,000 feet across its widest point. It holds, like I've just said, up to 84 billion litres of water. Before the valley was flooded in 1935, all the farms and the dwellings and the villages of Mardale Green were demolished, as well as a centuries-old Dunbull Inn at Mardale Green. The village church was dismantled and the stone was used in constructing the dam. All the bodies from the church were exhumed and reburied at Shap. Today, when the water reservoir is low, the remains of the submerged village of Mardale Green can still be seen, including stone walls and the village bridge. Manchester Corporation built a new road along the eastern side of the lake to replace the flooded highway lower in the valley. And the Haweswater Hotel, which I'm staying at, which I've just shown you a minute ago I think, was constructed midway down the length of the reservoir as a replacement for the Dunbull. Oh, so the one that they flooded, as a replacement, they ended up building that hotel. That's what it was for originally. You know, in 19 whatever it was. That's what it was. So the road continues the western end of Haweswater to the car park, a popular starting point for people walking along the Lake District. Anyway, this is where I stayed, so I've told you a bit of it. I know it's a bit gobbledygook, but that's a bit. There used to be, what do you call it, deers around here. There's been a golden eagle. Apparently it says there's been a golden eagle around here. What else is there? There is a population of shellfish in the lake, believed to have lived here since the Ice Age. Fucking hell, that's a long time, isn't it? So in this lake below here, I don't know what shellfish are. No, not shellfish, jellyfish in the lake. Hang on a minute. Until 2015, Haweswater, this lake here, was the only place in England where a golden eagle was resident. A pair of eagles first nested in the valley of Ridgendale in 1969. I'll just tell you, right, when I stayed at the hotel, there was a deer's head on the wall, and it was from 1910, something like that. Looked really good actually. But yeah, that was alright. What else have I got to tell you about it? References? No. Oh yeah. Haweswater is described in Anthony's Tropple's novel. He's described it as You Can't Forget It. It is a beautiful place. I'm going to take you along here now, and then I'm going to take you up that mountain there. And I think it is a mountain because it's pretty high. So, you know. Anyway, it's beautiful to watch. Just watch it and see what you think. I know it's a long video and all the rest of it. I'm just trying to give you some facts about Haweswater, and it is in the Lake District. So what else is there? Yeah, it's in the Lake District, Cumbria. It's a natural lake. Its length is 6.7 kilometers. The depth is 23.4. Average depth is 23.4 meters. So, like I say, it's quite a big place. Anyway, that's just a few facts about it. I know it's a bit, a bit diarrhea-y, but I'm just reading them out to you. Okay, so it'd be nice to see when the water is down, the old village that's been flooded back in the day. Yeah, it's an old place. So yeah, I'll go up this hill now, and I'll leave it with you, and you can see just how high it is. And when I turn around, it's a really nice view. Alright, so I think that's it for now. There's nothing else for me to read. There's no points I can see. I want to tell you, there is a car park just there as you come now, before that forest bit. You can drive along the length of it and park your car there and have a walk up. And I believe it's free, but it's quite busy. I think people stay there for night or leave the car there and go camping or whatever they're doing. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it. So carry on watching the video. It's a real beautiful view up the top here. I'll go up the top, show you how high it is, turn around, and then I'll come back. So enjoy. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye. Okay, I'll turn it round here because it's a bit windy up the top of here. Like I said, this is probably about 1,300 feet. So it's one of them. It's a nice view on the way back. I'll just take you down this valley, show you these bits here, and then I'll end it. I know it's quite a long one, so I want to show you just this bit here at the bottom, and we'll end it. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea watching this because it's quite a long video, but I wanted it for me really just to keep, so I've got it because it's such a nice view, so I thought I'll keep it. So that's why I've done the entire video more or less at this length, you know. That's why. So if you want to keep watching, keep watching. If you don't, that's fine. I know it's a particularly long one, but if you'd like to subscribe, I said subscribe funny. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great. If you don't want to, that's great too. So just whatever. But I prefer you did. You know what I mean? This is the nice view. Enjoy. Oh, Right, it's done with the Mavic Air 2. Right, not the Mavic Air, it's too much for that I think, so took it with the Mavic Air 2 and it's done early in the morning.